What's What's up, DG? Have you seen this issue before? I'm having an issue actually like launching BlueStacks, bro. Like I have to run it as administrator. I googled it. It says I have to run it as administrator and then do some extra stuff. Let me see if it works now. Because before, like I've been having trouble with my computer since last night. Right here, run Hyper-V diagnostic tool. Like, what if I launch this one? I think this one doesn't work. Just flat out. Yeah, that one just flat out doesn't work. What if I copy this? That Slimy's a client. Apparently, dude. A fucking apparently. What's up, Oinks? I'm having some computer problems, bro. Let me hit up my boy Tech Savvy Hunt. Like, it's taking a minute to clone instance, too. What the fuck? Let me cancel that. Create instance. Fresh instance. Pi. There we go. High performance. 320 DPI. This is mad weird. Create. That took 2 seconds to create. Yeah, we ain't doing all that. Why is this happening? What the hell? Close that out. What if I do run it administrator? Bro, this is like super weird. What if I just flat out uninstall BlueStacks? Hold up. Couch Potato, what's good, brother? We're having a lot of issues with BlueStacks currently. I want to remove this too. Hold up. This is tech support stream now. Select all, uninstall. Yeah, I was about to say, Potato said he was going to sleep. It's like, wait, unless he did go to sleep and he just woke up. It's a Saturday. I got this. 5:30 a.m. means nothing to me. I laugh. Man said we built different. Where is BlueStacks? Yeah, Hyper-V issues. What does that mean? Should I just uninstall and reinstall? Hell yeah, man. Defend wins are hard to get. Hunt the tech supporter. I need you. Now more than ever. Yeah, my computer's been fucky since yesterday. Click start program, click control panel, click programs, and then click turn Windows features on or off. No. So if I right click this, you're saying, oh, you mean click the start button. I'm dumb. Don't mind me. Control panel. Programs. Then click Windows features. On or off. I don't even see a Hyper-V. Am I tripping? Virtual machine platform. Check that on. Where do you see that? Oh, there it is. And I click OK. Windows couldn't. Data is invalid. The fuck does that mean? May receive the following errors when you install Net 3.5 in Windows Server. My internet is fine. Bro, this is weird. I mean, Hunt might as well, because he knows his shit, but I'm stumped right now. Like, it was working fine. That's funny. Bro, that's what DG was saying. No, I just don't want to pay anyone to fix my computer if I can fix it. Smart man. Is there like a net frame? Should I be installing just another one and seeing if that fixes it? I don't know what to do here. I haven't reinstalled Black Clover or BlueStacks yet. Configure the group policy settings. The behavior can also be caused by a system administrator who configures the computer. No one configured the computer. Open Task Manager. I turned on virtualization. Like, we were playing yesterday. Let's see. I don't know if I'm not supposed to be showing this, but oh well. Performance tab, CPU, virtualization enabled. Yeah, bro, like literally it was working on stream yesterday. And then I shut off my computer and now it's not working. Why are you raising so... Right click and run as admin? Run what as admin? Like run this as admin? I can only run that as BlueStacks. Okay. Let me just go directly to the source. Nope. And when I run this tool, it does like nothing. Just says, oh, we want to restart your computer. Some Hyper-V settings are not configured correctly. To resolve this, run our custom tool to enable Hyper-V correctly. I run tool. And then it says it wants me to restart my computer, and I did that. Should I restart again? Like, when I was doing this restart, it took 5 ever to restart. Yeah, let's just try to... Let me uninstall it and reinstall it. BlueStacks, uninstall, uninstall. This is wild. And pray it's not a BIOS thing. All of this. Uninstall. Uninstall. If it is a BIOS thing, what the hell do I do? It can't be a BIOS thing because a few days he's been running it on updated BIOS. Exactly, yeah. I've been running updated BIOS since the webcam. Cool. Uninstall. Close. File. Anyone pulling up the stream right now? I'm like, hey, yo, where is the Black Clover? I apologize. There are some technical difficulties that are being resolved. BlueStacks 10 installer. Like, I have a beefy computer. I do not get it. That's funny. It actually promotes Black Clover Mobile right now. It's probably because Black Clover Mobile's going off on BlueStacks. Hey, yo, where's the BCM? That's what I'm saying. You know what? I'd like to keep Oinks around. Here you go. Oh, I forgot. If I minimize it, though, it stops showing it. Yep. What's the other emulator? LD player? I don't know what I accepted there. I kind of just clicked through. Oh, oops. Is it just like extra shit? Soul's not worth much anyway. That's McAfee? Fuck. I love that. Prestar atención. Absolutely. Error in installer. Here's the plot twist. I was already in. I was already a sub. Nope. I think I tried to uninstall AVG too. Hold up. Apps. What else did it install? Yo, BlueStack just hates me now. BlueStack's errors might not no longer be a thing. BlueStacks. Microsoft Edge. Ew. Alright. Just in case, I'm gonna uninstall this. because it kind of coincides when I first installed it that I've been having issues. LD errors? That sounds like a different type. Edge is dookie. Yeah, bro. Virtual machine is enabled, which may lower performance by 50%. What do you mean? Hunt. Que paso? This is like literally the opposite error that I have on the other one. And BlueStacks won't actually install. Brother, there's no settings now. I want it to actually fuel up for Epic Gaming Session. What's up, Final Phase? You're catching me at the worst possible time. I mean, only a little prawn, but nothing crazy. Oh, you're back. I came early and your stream just ended. Yeah, no, I restarted my computer because I'm having issues right now. It's like full on saying, you shall not stream anymore. Maybe Twitch just gave me a virus because the community was growing too strong. Oh, hold up. This is successful. This is still trying to load. I have no idea what to do. How did you fix it, Acroli? What's weird is it was literally working last night. Like I said, I had to Google it. Don't remember the fix, just the problem. Well, oh, it's VCS. Oops. I was trying to both. Yeah, sure. Hold up. Where was it? Programs. Virtual machine platform. I try to turn it on. I press OK. Searches for required files, and then it says, no, you gay. Maybe it's the webcam. It might be all the webcam's fault. So this is the error code. I'll add this, but like, what's 0x 800 7,000? Let me 0x 800 7,000. Well, I'm having issues with both. And that's just trying to sell me something. Let's not do a sponsored here. Yeah, I'm having issues on both now. It's insane. Right click on the woofix file, run as administrator. Wait till the end of the procedure on the black screen, restart PC, and see if error persists. All right, we might have to restart stream. Fucking system UI isn't responding. Sick. Where did that save? Before you do so, before I restart, the Windows installer. Let's see what it said. Transfer service is stopping. Service will stop successfully. Windows update service is not started. More help is available by typing help. It's not started. Cryptographic is stopping. I apologize. Sand has not been playing this entire time. Now let's do this link. Yeah. Like Hyper-V isn't even on that thing you asked me to pull up either. It's not even asking me to run as administrator now. That's weird. Oh, that's loading. Let me. DG, I'm sending you a message. This is another loading bar stream, I guess. You know, they came out of nowhere, too. It's wild. No Windows updates, just the BIOS update. I did like some drivers updates. I use like driver booster for that. I did that at some point yesterday. I use that. Oh, can't see it. I use this. But like I've used that for years and it's no issues. I can uninstall that. No, it's gonna be wild. I'm gonna try to launch BlueStacks now. I used it before stream last night, I think. Like literally in between last night's stream, which I like in between last night's stream to today's stream, my computer's been off. Something might have just got corrupted, which I think this is just gonna check it. Right? I'm pretty sure if something's corrupted, what this process is doing is gonna fix it, or at least find it. It's annoying that that just happens, though. This is the first time I've ever had this issue. I can't fly down, but Christmas Eve I'm gonna be at my. So I'm pretty close with my boss. He was the guy that I was. So the reason I'm late was because I went to his place right after work to set up a pool table for him, and like have dinner and hang out with him and his fiance, and like somebody else was there. Um, but we're pretty close. If a hot tub stream ever does happen, I already got approval to use his hot tub for it. So hey, at least there's that. I have a hot tub for the hot tub stream. Operation completed successfully. The component store is repairable. Operation completed successfully. Deployment, image management service. But I'm pushing my Christmas plans over into New Year's, so I'm gonna be going to Florida for New Year's. Spend it with my family. What about you, Clint? Any plans? Is this still going? Maybe I'll pull up and pressure wash your house for you. A little twofer. Okay, it's still going. I appreciate you guys hanging out to watch Bar load stream. Something interesting came up at work today. If you guys want to hear about it. Not sure if you guys would. Okay. Um, so my practice is like the largest pain management practice on Long Island that's still independently private. I haven't done anything, bro. Like after last stream, I don't touch the game until I stream to make sure I have content for streaming. But what's it called? I was talking to my boss. Obviously, we're looking at investors to, instead of like someone to flat out buy out the full company, buy out like 30%, so we have capital to kind of build the practice. So if we go that direction, we need like C-suite executives. So I was talking to my boss. I might end up hiring an executive coach to prepare me in case the COO position becomes available. And then I was also offered a job in sales to make buku money because medical sales does buku money. So it was a very, very crazy day. Like if the amount of money he was talking about is fuck you money. So it's a lot of good stuff. I don't think I'm gonna take the fuck you money sales job though. Like sales just drains me. Like with sales, medical sales maybe less, but like with sales and like managing a territory and doing all of that shit, because it'd be for like a territory manager sales position. To do that shit, man, you're looking at like you almost have to lie about shit, you know? Like you have to present your item in the best way possible, and if I don't believe in an item, like I don't care to sell it. Like I can sell fucking water to a whale, you know? I can sell feathers to a bird, you know? But like I have to believe in it morally. So it's like I'm not sure if I would even do that. So I was talking to my boss about that job offer, and then the executive thing came up, and then I told him the pay ranges, and he's like, for like one of the numbers, I wouldn't do it. So in the next 6 months. So sounds like I'm getting a raise from that conversation, but so who knows? Maybe a raise is on the way, maybe a possible promotion. Because like I am I'm like essentially the number two back end. So like a promotion now is basically just a full on restructuring of what our practice is. So it's exciting. I told him about how I'm streaming now, and he's like, "Hey yo, I need a. He's like the. So there's this thing called Rainmakers. It's basically like NFT fantasy football, and he goes and like he sets up his teams, and he kind of like goes off from there. So he was invited to Arizona by the company that hosts those NFT things, by DraftKings, and like there's famous football players there. There's a bunch of shit. Like I met Gary V and who's the other guy that I met? Stipe Miocic, the MMA fighter, because of like the shit that he does with DraftKings. So what's it called? So like he was like, maybe I should stream, like he should stream his Rainmakers, and he wants me to help him set it up. I think it's kind of funny. Then he was joking. He's like, what if I go into your stream and like donate $1,000? I was like, you're more than welcome to. Feel free. Bar loading simulator is really going off right now. Listen with my wireless headphones while in the kitchen so I won't be chatty. I'll get it, Crowley. Dude, uh, I have been blessed with opportunities. Jojo, we're having issues right now. BlueStacks won't launch. That's why we got the sand up right now. Bro, slime corrupted my shit, apparently. We're never touching slime again. Brother, this is a sick ass. I have a 4070 Ti. I have a bunch of shit. This PC's like goated, but it just don't want to work. And couldn't handle slime. I was gonna buy extra RAM, but it obviously isn't a RAM issue that I was having. My CPU. That is a great question. Um, the thing that tells me all my computer information is loading. I have an AMD Ryzen 7 3700X. Bro, I basically tried that, Oinks. I restarted my computer already. So yeah, I have a Ryzen 7 3700X. I have a Republic of Gamers Strix B550F gaming Wi-Fi motherboard, 16 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM. Fucking 4070 Ti. Maybe I do need a better CPU. I don't fucking know. Go fucking buy it. Well, it's 11 p.m. now for me, so I can't buy it now. We'll buy it tomorrow, I guess. But I feel like this is like a storage error. But like I still feel like this CPU is pretty good. Ryzen 7 3700X, I'm pretty sure that's good. I mean, I better have Best Buy rewards with the amount of fucking shit I've bought. See, I don't usually curse. I'm a little frustrated right now. I apologize. I try to keep it PG in case any of your kids watching, you know? But slightly outdated. What would I upgrade it to? I guess I would have to check PC part picker and just upload like my motherboard and all the other shit. But like how bad is slightly outdated? Like slightly outdated, like there's 4 series better than it by now, or like what does slightly outdated mean exactly? generations old. Okay, that's not terrible. Yeah, that's the other thing. Like, I would need a new motherboard, and then if I need a new motherboard, I'm gonna fucking need a it's just so much shit. Like, replacing a motherboard's a bitch. Like, I might as well get another case if I'm gonna get another motherboard, and then if I get another case, I might as well get more storage, and if I get another motherboard, I might as well get new RAM, and if I get new, like, it just turns into a whole build. Maybe it's backwards compatible. I'm about to spend the rest of my Christmas bonus. Might as well get a new computer. I agree. Like, at that point, right? Like, how much is a current, like, what's the best Ryzen CPU? All of this, by the way, to play an iPhone game. Is it the 7 series? The 700X, I guess? PC client went. I imagine if I just had, if the PC client was a thing, easy, like no issues. Like, what's the newest cards or the newest thingies? Uh, that would be latest generation, but 5000 series. What would work with your B50 550F maybe? Let's pull up PC part picker real quick. It'd be goated if it had my old stuff. Okay, it does have my old stuff. So let's take out the CPU, add another CPU. We want a 7 or a 9, I guess. So you said the Ryzen 5800X 3D, which is an option. Why don't I get the Ryzen 9 3950X for $2,000? That sounds like a steal. I can do the 5700X or the 5800X 3D. I have a 5900X, but a bit overkill. Then let me just get the Ryzen 9 5950X, you know, might as well. 16 cores, let's get it. How's that going? That's gone. Ryzen 9s are too overkill. So I do like a Ryzen 7. So like, would this be fine? I got this. Overkill is usually great. You're right. Like for $9 more, how much better is the Ryzen 9 5900X, you know? Like, is this a big upgrade? You go from 8 to 12 cores, 3 more gigahertz, same wattage. Like, is this a big jump? I'm not sure if anyone knows. It is literally about less than $9 more. The Ryzen 9 5900X is $9 more than the Ryzen 7 5800X 3D. Well, the 5800X 3D is a new tech that they're using in their latest generation. It came out after the 5900X. So would the 5800X 3D be better than the 5900X since it's latest tech? In a sense, yes. All right, fuck it. Let's go with that one then. Warning: these parts have potential compatibility issues. Oh, CPU socket issues. Fucking stupid. Why do you let me add it if it's not compatible? Okay, let's remove that, I guess. Is there like a compatible thingy? Like, only show me compatible things? IIRC3D help more with games, but need to double check. Don't forget your gift receipt. Absolutely. So let's throw in this one, maybe. Oh, look at that. I guess I just need a new motherboard. So let me just find a new motherboard really quick. Is compatible on Asus website? I don't know. Let's fucking. I like ROG. What if I just did the next upgrade? Memory slots, is that what's memory slots? Is that just RAM? Like I don't need more than 4, right? Like if I did this, like I just have to do so much fucking research to do this. How's this doing? Has it stayed at 62.3% this entire time, by the way? I feel like this hasn't moved. Am I tripping? I feel like it was at 62.3% before. Like I feel like I feel like that's my limiting factor right now, you know? Let's get the Asus Republic of Gamers Zenith 2 Extreme Alpha. Its maximum memory is 256 gigabytes. I have no clue. Like, this one, I'm pretty sure, is a direct upgrade from what I have right now. But it looks so cheap for some reason. Because I have the B5... Let me see. I have this one, but it's not Wi-Fi 2. So is this mid-range? Like, what about this one then? If it's Wi-Fi 2? Like, is this one better? It has DDR5 memory. I have DDR4 right now. And this is pretty looking. So let's, I guess, go with that one, because it's pretty. And then I'll just keep my GPU. That's my GPU. I have memory. I don't fucking know what memory I have. Are you still at 62? Brother, why is this stuck at 62.3? Why'd the CPU disappear? Add 5800X. Click the area and look above it. Darkstar, we're having BlueStack errors for real. Like, I physically, like... Oh, my back is aching, but I secured a hot tub for the stream. Like, it's not even an option now with this one. I did, and do you want to know what it said? It says I had V-star issues or whatever the hell it said. It was like virtualization issues. It's like wild. So we're running this right now, but it's been stuck at 62.3%. Brother, this is like a really new PC, though. It's like, why do I need a new one? I don't know. If 2 of them don't work, I'm not sure if another one's gonna work. Let's see. So you're saying... But this one looks pretty. It literally did. We have 12 viewers right now looking at me do PC part picker because Slime Isekai Memories screwed up my things. I'm sorry for everyone watching right now. Price for RAM? This is entertaining. I'm glad you're entertained. It's like 120 for 32 gigabyte, and I wanted to upgrade to 32 gigabyte anyway. $3 per gig. I mean, that's not terrible. We're picking parts because I might just have to build a new computer. Because the program I'm running to fix my computer is at 62.3%, and it's been there for the last, like, 10 minutes. I am running Ryzen CPU. But I don't get it. Like, I upgraded my GPU whenever Harry Potter or Hogwarts Legacy. I don't know what caused it either. Like, you guys have seen me use my computer every day for the last week. I did restart my PC, and it no work. No, my GPU is fully updated. I updated it 8 days ago. I mean, I have a Windows 10 update. I could run that maybe. But I'm not sure if I want to restart my PC while it's doing whatever the hell it's doing or not doing. Like, GPUs at newest release game drivers. It hasn't been a problem for like two or 3 weeks that I've been like since launch of Black Clover, and even before that, I played One Piece on BlueStacks, and like this cool dice game. Like if I remove that, did this B550? Okay, that's my motherboard. We add the CPU. Your account is binded, right? Might need to delete all of BlueStacks and try again as last resort. I've uninstalled all of BlueStacks. Well, you were asking me to add this back on. Compatibility warning. These have potential issues. See details below. What did you want me to check? I think so too. Should I just close it and rerun it? Do you think? Yeah, fuck it. It's already broken. What's actually a thing? To be completely honest, I kind of just... Did you try turning off virtualization restart and turning... I don't know. Turn it off and do what Darkstar says? What, like, go into my BIOS, turn off virtualization, start my computer, and then turn on, or restart it and turn on virtualization again? Alright. Yep, I guess I will be back shortly.